In this session, we're going to install and configure the MQTT Distributor module for Ignition, which is an MQTT server, or often called a broker, compliant with the 3.1.1 MQTT protocol OASIS standard. It enables MQTT clients and applications to securely connect, publish, and subscribe to data, supplying data to both operational and business applications throughout the enterprise. The first thing we need to do is download the MQTT Distributor module from Ignition's website. And for that, we go to the Downloads area, and we can select other operating systems or other versions and find the Ignition version we're looking for. We're going to go to the Strategic Partner modules, where we'll find all of the SiriusLink modules, and there we can download the MQTT Distributor module. I've already done that there, so my Downloads folder. Now I'm going to go back to Ignition on my local machine, and we're going to go into the Configuration area, go to the Modules section, and in there I can click Install or Upgrade a module to install the MQTT Distributor. I'm going to choose that downloaded module, install it. We have to accept the license agreement, as well as install a certificate. And that's it. We now have an MQTT server built into Ignition. It's really simple to get up and running. There are some settings for the MQTT Distributor module over here on the left-hand side. If I look at the settings, that's where I can configure the non-TLS and the TLS ports, which by default, non-TLS is 1883 and the TLS is 8883. We can also enable WebSockets port as well. We can go over here to our users, where we can identify users that can connect, and we can provide them access control lists for what they're allowed to read and write. There's already one user built into the MQTT Distributor module by default, which is admin, and the password for that is change.me. Of course, we can go in there and edit this, and we can identify new users. But that's it. We now can have client applications connect and publish and subscribe to data. We're going to do that by using the MQTT FX product. You can download this from the internet. And this allows us to play around with sending messages back and forth so we can see it. I'm going to go ahead and go to the settings. I'm going to connect to the MQTT server on my local machine over 1883. And I'm going to specify the credentials, which is the admin, and change me username and password. Now that I have that, I can connect. As you can see, we are now connected to the broker. We're ready to go. And we can publish and subscribe. I'm going to go over here to subscribe. I'm going to subscribe on a topic called test message. We're going to go back here to publish. And I'm going to publish on that same topic. Here is a message. So once I do that, I should come over here, and we can see that the message is coming in. So now we know we have the MQTT server is up and running and ready to go. Now we can look at using the MQTT transmission and engine modules to publish data from Ignition.